Hi, welcome to my video on graphing rational numbers. Graphing rational numbers. Example, let's graph each on the number line. 1/2. 1/2 is between 0 and 1. So there's halfway right there. So that's dot represents 1/2. 2 and 2/3. 2 and 2/3 is between 2 and 3. And between 2 and 3 is divided into 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3 pieces. So 2/3 is 2 out of 3. So 2, 1/3, 2/3. So notice divided into 3 pieces. A -3/4. -3/4 is between 0 and a -1. So I have to divide it into 4 pieces and take 3 of them. 4 pieces, if I cut it in half, and I cut each half in half again, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So -3/4, 1/4, 2/4. There's a -3/4 right there. -2 and 1/5. So it's between -2 and -3. -2 is here. So 1/5 is divided into 5 pieces, and I take one of them. 5 pieces. Let's see, just estimate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just approximate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I take one of them. So there's a -2. So there's a -2 and 1/5. Remember, that's 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and that's -3. Practice. So what you do, pause the video and you graph these on a number line. Here we go. -1 and 1/3. So there's -1. -2 is between -1 and -2. So between -1 and 2 is divided into 3 pieces. 1, 2. So 2 cuts. 1, 2, 3. So -1 and 1/3 is right there. 5/6. 5/6 is between 0 and 1. So it's divided into 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cuts, 6 pieces. So 5/6 is 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6. There's 5/6. -1/4. There's a 0. There's -1. So it's in between here. So it's divided into 4 pieces, and I take one of them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 3 cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. -1/4 is right there. And 3 and 5/8. 3 and 5/8 is to the right of 0. 1, 2, 3. Between 3 and 4. And I have to divide it into 8 pieces. Right now I have it into 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I cut each of those into half, like that, now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. So I have 3 and 5/8. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8. So there's 3 and 5/8. So remember, your denominator tells you how many parts you have to divide it into. Your numerator tells you how many of those you have to take. That's it for a little bit on graphing, just to get you used to it, in case you have to do it when you do inequalities or whatever later on, or solving equations. You got a graph. If you like this video, click on my like button, subscribe button, and notification bell, and write a comment if you wish. And you may also visit my math website at www.mathfullyexplained.com. Information there will be about me, degrees, and teaching experience. Section on the videos tells you what teaching strategies you're going to use to help you learn your math. And the content has the topics and the number of videos on each topic. And the topics that are in black font are already online. The topics that are in red font will be developed in the near future. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.